This video was produced by students for training purposes only and is provided on an as-is basis. ISU and the state of Idaho make no warranties about the completeness, reliability, usefulness, or accuracy of this information. Any action you take upon the information provided is strictly at your own risk, and ISU and the state of Idaho will not be liable for any errors, omissions, losses, or damages in connection with the use of the contents of this video. This video demonstrates methods for lava terrain analyses that can be performed in ArcMap using a high-resolution digital service model that was produced in the previous video. After opening ArcMap, go into the catalog, right-click the location where you want to save your work, and then click New File Geodatabase and type in the name. This is where you'll save all of the files you create. Now click the Add Data button and navigate to the digital service model, and then click Add to bring your DSM into ArcMap. In the table of contents, left-click the white to black color ramp to change the colors. Choose a new color gradient. In this case, I chose red to blue and inverted the colors so that red represents high elevation values and blue represents low values. Now we'll start analyzing the terrain. I'm zooming in to help see the details of the DSM. Now we'll build a hillshade to help visualize the terrain. In the search box, type hillshade, click the hillshade tool. In the input raster, select the DSM, give the file a name, and click OK. Next, we'll calculate the steepness of the slopes in the DSM. In the search box, type in slope and click the slope tool. In the input raster, select the DSM, give the file a name, and click OK. Next, we'll calculate the direction that the slopes face. In the search box, type in aspect. Click the aspect tool. In the input raster drop-down menu, select the DSM, give the file a name, and press OK. Last, we will calculate the ruggedness of the terrain using a terrain ruggedness index. This index requires a neighborhood calculation for the minimum and maximum over a 3x3 area. For the minimum, in a search box, type in block statistics. Click block statistics. In the input raster drop-down box, select the DSM. Name your output raster min. Use a 3x3 neighborhood, select minimum from the statistics type drop-down box and click OK. For the maximum, in the search box, click block statistics again. In the input raster drop-down box, select the DSM. Name your output raster max. Use a 3x3 neighborhood, select maximum from the statistics type drop-down box and click OK. To calculate the terrain index, go into the search box and type raster calculator. Click raster calculator. Now click on the terms to input the mathematical expression. Select the square root. Inside of the square root, select the absolute value. Inside of the absolute value, select square. Inside of the square, select the max raster. Back inside of the absolute value, after the squared max, select minus. After the minus, select square. Inside of the square, select the min raster. Give the file a name. And click OK.